What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to be looking at this MVW5035 model from Maytag. It is a 4.5 cubic foot wash drum, has 5 knobs to control the unit on the top, very easy to control, a tried and true traditional agitating washing machine, and it's at a good price point as well. So we're going to dive inside the unit and take a look at how it washes, how well it washes, and tell you about some more of the features on this machine. Alright, I've got some laundry in here. I've got about 4 or 5 towels and a smaller blue towel because I want to see the rollover and how well these items are moving in the water. So to talk a little bit about how you control this unit, so from the left you've got an extra power knob, and what that does, if you turn that on, it does a pre-wash in hot and cold water for about 25 to 30 minutes, and that's really going to be good for fighting all kinds of stains. So some stains wash better in hot water, some stains come off better in cold water. For your temperature knob, you've got 5 different control settings. You've got hot water, warm, cool, and cold, but then you also have a tap cold. Now that can vary depending on how cold it is outside, so we usually tell people to stay away from that, just use the cold setting. Something that is really kind of cool for this Maytag is that if you want to use the thing as a sink, you have this water faucet right there, and you just turn that on and you can use this as a sink if you don't have one in your utility room already. You've got a normal, bulky, delicates, casuals, and a drain and spin, and on the other side you've got a quick wash. That's going to be 30 minutes, light soil. Very nice to have that on here. You do have a towels, whites, colors, heavy duty, and a clean washer cycle. So if you do use fabric softener, we've got some heavy and medium soil options that are going to do an extra rinse, because you want to rinse out that fabric softener, make sure it's not clogging up your drain pump. For your water selections, you have 4 options. You have a deep fill, you have a high water fill, a medium, and an auto fill. And that's going to let the machine do the work. It's going to do some sensing before it starts to fill, and yeah, go from there. This machine just stopped washing, and it's been about 25 minutes. I used the quick wash, and I did have medium soil and an autofill, so relatively that's very quick. I think it did a great job washing. There was a lot of movement inside the tub. It filled up with just enough water using that autofill setting to where everything was wet and concentrated too, so your detergent, it's not wasting away in a bunch of water that isn't needed. It did a great job washing. There was a lot of movement. Those towels were moving against each other, creating the friction to loosen the soils and get clean. I have no doubt that, if you're looking for a new top load washer that isn't going to break the bank, a tried and true traditional agitating machine, this would be a great option for you. It's quality, it's highly serviceable because it is an American brand. Parts are easy to get. So this 5035 Maytag, this is the unit. If you are looking for a machine that isn't going to break the bank, this would be a great option for you.